What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. Sprayed On, and today I'm coming at you with my first YouTube video. I figure, it's time to branch from Instagram just a little bit, dibble dabble into YouTube, so here we are. And today I have an unboxing, and sorry cutting into it just a little bit, but by the tape, some of you already know where this is from, so let's go ahead and get into this. I guess you would know by the title too, huh? Let's see. All right. Got the goodies. Okay, oh, they did something different. Mine didn't come attached last time. I'm not sure if this is new or anything, but last time mine was just one flat sheet. Okay, cool. Let me put that to the side. Complimentary mask, because COVID is still a thing. Got to stay safe out here. But what's on the inside is what matters. All right, so came a little tore up, but that's all right. Go ahead, undress it real quick. Whew. Boom. You see it. Signature Tabac from Zaharoff. Now, I had a sample of this already, and I already know kind of what it smells like. I'm excited to have a full bottle. This is the box. Ooh. Do it real quick, cause it's nice, but is that what we're here for? It's about the juice, man. Look at the bottle. Ooh. Let's go ahead and give this a spray. Yeah, buddy. So I actually threw this to the side, but it has some important info in here with all the notes, as you can see, for every fragrance that they have. So for Signature Tabac, we have in the top cognac, lavender, rum, star anise, and Divana. I'm not sure how that's pronounced. In the middle, we have gold honey, blonde cedar, simple oud, tobacco leaf, pimento leaves, and fir balsam. And then the base, we have sandalwood, plum, black amber, myrrh, frankincense, and tonka bean and vanilla. So that's a lot of notes. I'll tell you what it smells like to me though. So off rip, let me go and spray it again. So yeah, whew. I get this wet, spicy, sweet, boozy tobacco. And of course the booziness comes from the cognac. It kind of has this, almost this dried fruitiness about it. Like I kind of get apricots a little bit, and that dies down over time. And then it kind of turns into this honeyed tobacco, still these spices lingering in the background. And I get the oud here, and the oud isn't funky. It's more so just to give it more base and body, which is good. And you also get that sandalwood creaminess in this as well. And I do get the plum now that I think about it. It's some plum coming through for sure. And then you get the myrrh, frankincense, and all of that. So, hey, this is definitely unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I haven't smelled anything like this, and I'm glad to have it. So this is, overall, just like warm, sweet, inviting, cozy, sexy, kind of masculine, but women and men alike, y'all can rock this. So don't be afraid. Go ahead and check out Signature Tabac from Zaharoff. All right, y'all, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing / initial impressions of, well, not really initial. I've already shown this before, but I hope you enjoy my impressions of Zaharoff Signature Tabac. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Share this to a friend or someone that you think will find this video interesting. And go ahead and stay safe out here. Take care of yourself, man. And wash your hands for sure, all right? But it's your boy, Mr. Spray It On, signing off. Peace.